Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you all a very healthy recipe, beetroot and carrot paratha. Whole wheat beetroot and carrot paratha is a great way to feed your kids beetroot and carrot. These parathas can be served for breakfast, brunch or lunch and can also be packed in the tiffin box. Now let's see the ingredients. Grated carrot and grated beetroot, atta, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies, black salt, ajwain and chopped onions. Mix carrot and beetroot together. Add salt. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Squeeze the mixture and get rid of the water. Don't throw the water. We are going to use it in the dough. Add the beetroot and carrots juice and salt in the atta and make soft roti dough. Add water if needed. Look how beautiful the atta dough is. Keep aside. Mix everything together. Add onions, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves, ajwain, chili, salt and mix together. Give a nice mix. Roll the atta balls. Stuff with beetroot and carrots filling. Pinch and close. Roll the parathas carefully. Fry the parathas on a non-stick pan. Cook on both sides. You can use ghee too if you want instead of oil. Fry the parathas until they are golden brown in color. The parathas are cooked well now. Serve it in a plate. Serve hot with curd, chutney or pickle and spread butter on the parathas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.